welcome to my channel and welcome to part 4 of solving systems of equations by elimination. In this video, we are going to take two equations as part of my system and we're going to solve them with elimination. But so far, every time we've done this, we've been able to find an easy way to do it. Like a variable had a 1 in front of it in the last video, or the variables already had the same number in front of them. This time, we've got none of that. So we're going to have to work a little bit more. We're going to add one more little piece to solve these. Our goal is the same though. Get one variable with the same number, opposite signs in front of it. You can pick X or Y. It does not matter. I'm going to do X for this one. Again, it doesn't matter. 2 and 3. What can I multiply by so that 2 and 3 become the same number? So my first thought is, okay, 2 and 3. If I multiply those together, I get 6. So if I multiply the first one by 3, that'll make a 6. And if I multiply the second one by 2, that'll make a 6. I need one of them to be a negative. So I just made the 2 a negative. You can make the 3 a negative. It doesn't matter. So when I distribute, I'm going to get 6x plus 9y equals 36. Make sure you distribute over to the other side as well. Negative 6x minus 8y equals negative 34. Now I can add these equations and the x cancels. So I multiplied the 2 by this 3 and this 3 by this 2. And then I checked to make sure that the signs were different. That will give me y, oh that's nice, y equals 2. Haven't got anything to solve. That was nice. Go back to the originals and plug that in for y. It doesn't matter. First equation second. 2x plus 3 times 2 equals 12. 2x plus 6 equals 12. Subtract 6 from both sides. Divide both sides by 2. And we get x equals 3. And then if you have time on your test or quiz before you turn in your paper, make sure you go back and check. I did this earlier on my paper. This is the right answer. I'm also kind of running low on space. I don't know if I can make this fit. So 2 and 3 go here and here, x and y. Make sure you get a 12. Let's see if I can make this fit. 3 times 2, 2 times x, 2 times 3, plus 3 times y. Does that equal 12? 6 plus 6 does equal 12. Check. The other equation, it has to work in both. 3 times 3 plus 4 times 2. Does that equal 17? 9 plus 8 does equal 17. So yes, I checked it. I know I'm good. Let's try another. All right, with this one, again, you can choose. Do I want to eliminate x or y? I did x on the first one, so let's do y for this one. It doesn't really matter though. I'm looking at 3 and 15 and I'm saying, okay, what is a multiple of 3 and 15? Sorry, 3 and 5. What is a multiple of 3 and 5? It's 15. So I want to multiply 3 by 5 to get 15. I'm going to multiply 5 by 3 to get a 15. I'm going to make that a negative 3, so this becomes a negative 15. I need them to have the same number, opposite signs. So sometimes you'll have to multiply one of them by a negative. It doesn't matter which one. This will give me a 10x plus 15y equals 13 times 5. If you can't do it in your head, not a problem. It is 65. Don't be ashamed to come over and do some scratch work. I have to do it too. Negative 3 times 3 gives me negative 9x. Negative 3 times negative 5 gives me negative 15y. See, now they have same number, opposite signs, equals negative 63. Add my equations. The y's cancel. I get x equals 2. Plug it back into one of the originals. Does not matter which one. 3 times 2 plus 5y equals 21. 6 plus 5y equals 21. Subtract 6 from both sides. 5y equals 15. Divide by 5. Y equals 3. So my answer is 2, 3, x, y. Check my paper. Yes, that's right. If I were doing this on a test or quiz, take x and y, plug it back in here and in here, and make sure you get 13 on both sides for the first one and 21 on both sides for the second one. Remember with these, You are trying to get the same number but opposite sign in front of one of your variables. So the easy way to do this, multiply this coefficient to the top, multiply this coefficient down to the bottom. Then decide, do they have the same signs? If yes, which they did here, I need to have a negative on one of them. If they already have opposite signs, you don't need that negative. Your goal, same number, opposite signs when you multiply. I hope that was helpful. If you have any more questions, please reach out to us at amtutors.com. We'd love to set up some tutoring sessions for you with our certified math teachers. Also, make sure you like and subscribe so you get the latest and greatest math content when we post it. Have a great day.